Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel 3DM Studio. Today we are going to model this cartoon character, so let's begin. First add a cube, add a 2 level of subdivision modifier and apply the modifier. In edit mode select all and press Ctrl Alt plus L and drag. Drag the top vertex up while turning on proportional editing and move the bottom vertex up. Select the central edge loop and scale it up. Rotate it like this in side view and adjust the top vertex. Select these 4 faces and press I to insert these faces, and using loop tools make the selection a circle. Now in object mode add a curve path and move its points in edit mode to match the reference. In curve properties add a depth to it and lessen the resolution to 2 and also lessen the geometry resolution to 2. Convert the curve to the mesh, select the curve and then the face and press Ctrl plus J to make them a single object. In edit mode select these 2 edge loops and go to the edge menu and choose the bridge edge loop option. Make sure the number of vertices in both edge loops are same, otherwise the bridge will not be right. Do some tweaking to make it look right, like I am doing right now. You always need to do some changes while doing the modeling to make it match with the reference photo, so do the changes whenever and from wherever you want. Face blockout is ready now. We will do the body. For this we will add a cube and apply the 1 level of subdivision surface modifier, delete the left side of geometry and add a mirror modifier and add a 2 level of subdivision modifier. In edit mode select these 2 faces and press I and then B to remove the bridge. And extrude the faces up to make the neck part. Select these 2 bottom vertices and press I and B to insert faces with a bridge. Make the selection circle using loop tools, move it out and extrude it out to make the leg part. Delete the bottom faces, adjust these vertices to make the body shape right, make the adjustment until it looks right to you. I added a loop cut tool, select the bottom edge face and fill these faces. Add an edge loop here, select these 4 faces and extrude them out and adjust their position. Do some vertex repositioning too. Model faces are ready now. To make the arms add an edge loop here, select these 4 faces and insert them. Make them circle using loop tools, turn on mirror modifier clipping option, extrude the selected 4 faces out in x-axis, extrude them one more time. We are doing some more extrude operations to make the hands. Fill these opening by selecting 4 faces and pressing F. Add an edge loop here and make the thumb by extruding these 4 faces here. Correct these faces. Select the central edge, bevel it 3 times and extrude these faces one by one to make 4 fingers. Adjust these vertices to make it look more like a hand. Now do some body adjustments to make it look more like a reference photo. To make the neck curve, add a circle curve, place it on the neck position. In its properties, increase the extrude value. With Alt plus S, rotate it points, add a path and make the falling part of scarf. Extrude it, rotate it, place it in the position. Duplicate it in the left side too and make this remaining part and also make it shorter. Do some point adjustment. Now select all 3 curves and convert the curve to the mesh. Now add the edge loop and do some scarf adjustment by moving and placing its vertices in the right position. Add the solidify modifier to give it a thickness. Now add the light head to the head tentacle. For this add a 2 level subdivided cube, make it shaped like a reference, join it with the head mesh, select the both edges and add a bridge edge loop. And do some size adjustment. Now our body and face blockout is ready. Next we will do the face detailing like eyes, glasses and mouth part. Now we will start face detailing. Separate this part of the face mesh by pressing Ctrl P and separate by select option. Apply mirror modifier and subdivision surface modifier because we need the more vertices. Now delete the left side of the mesh and add a mirror modifier. Select these 4 faces of mesh, scale it up and make it circle. Adjust its placement and insert it. subdivide it one time, make it a circle, extrude it one time inside, select this edge loop and bevel it one time. Now do the eye scaling. Use the knife tool by pressing K and draw the mouth part. Select these vertices and press V to make a cut, extrude it inside. Now we will make the flow outside the mouth using knife tool. Do some vertices adjustment to make the mouth look right. Select this edge loop of eye and press Ctrl plus S and select the cursor to selection option. The cursor will be in the center of the eye. Add a sphere as an eyeball, scale it down, rotate it in x-axis. Do some scaling adjustment to place it in the eye socket. Add a mirror modifier and pick the face as a mirror object to make the left eye. Now let's draw the glasses. Add a cylinder, scale it down, select top and bottom faces and insert faces and choose the bridge edge loop option in the edge menu. Now rotate it, scale it and place it in the eye position. Mirror it and set the mirror object to face. Model the center part of the glasses. Glasses are ready now. Now it's time to make the eyebrows. For this, add a curve and just keep these three vertices. Place the eyebrows on face. Turn on the snapping option and place it on the face mesh. Add some depth to it. Lower the shape resolution. Scale the corners by pressing Alt plus S. Mirror it on the left side. The model is almost ready, but let's do some final editing, adjustment of face, scarf and body positioning. The 3D model of the reference image is complete now. If you want to ask any question related to the video, let me know in the comments. We'll see you in the next video.